Hey, let me show you how you can transfer all data to your new Redmi A3 from any other smartphone. In this case, I'm using the the second Android smartphone. So first of all we have to do on our both smartphones is to open the Google Play Store. So we have to find the Google Play Store, open it, and you have to download the Shareit application on the both devices. This is the application that we can download for free on our Redmi A3 and on this second phone. When you download this application on the both smartphones, first, for example, we can start from our Redmi A3. So we have to click open. Now we have to wait. Next, click agree and continue. Tap allow. From this, click on this switcher to allow access to manage all files. Then go back. Accept another permissions and select this option, receive. Because right here we are gonna receive files, that's quite obvious. Then click open right here, grant the permission, do the same for the grant nearby device permission, and the last one, sharing progress notification. Then go back and now click next. From this, go into the second phone from which you are going to send the data to your Redmi A3. Just open this application and repeat the same steps. So you can follow my screen, go back, select send, and now you can actually send anything that you want, from contacts to recent calls, files, videos, apps, photos, and music. Let's say that I'm gonna transfer, for example, the photo, maybe this short video, and one song, for example this one. It's only example, so that's the reason why I'm choosing only few files, because if I want to send everything it will take like a lot of time. So click send. Now we have to grant permissions on this second phone, so click on it one by one. From this you have to find this application, the Shareit. It's just right here. Click on it, then go back and click to open. Now accept this permission, go back, click next, tap just right here. Now in this frame you have to input into this code, just basically scan it, and now the devices are going to be connected, and as you can see the data is actually sending. It's almost finished. There we go, and that's done. So right now when you grab your Redmi A3, you can actually close this one, and we have to locate some files. So let's go here, and as you can see right here, we can find all of our data, like this video, this photo, and this sound. And that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.